台湾话第一课之三
Drill in tone changes and numerals from 1 to 99.
This first lesson is almost entirely concerned with tone changes. The following drill introduces numerals and serves as excellent practice in changing tones.
In drilling with the teacher, it is very important to keep the word ko up in the first tone.
In English, the final word usually drops. In speaking Taiwanese, note each tone carefully. Numerals from 1 to 10.
一箍两箍三箍四箍五箍六箍七箍八箍九箍十箍。
The numeral 1 is sometimes pronounced and spelled. And the numeral 2 is sometimes pronounced and spelled. As in the combinations 11 and 12. Numerals from 10 to 19. Eighth changes to third.
十箍一箍十二箍13箍14箍15箍16箍17箍18箍19箍。
Numerals from 20 to 29. Seventh changes to third.
20箍21箍22箍22箍22箍23箍23箍24箍24箍25箍25箍26箍26箍26箍27箍27箍28箍28箍29箍29箍。
Numerals from 30 to 39. First changes to seventh.
30箍32箍32箍33箍34箍35箍36箍37箍38箍39箍。
Numerals from 40 to 49. Third changes to second.
40箍41箍41箍42箍42箍43箍43箍43箍43箍44箍14箍45箍45箍46箍16箍47箍17箍48箍48箍49箍19箍。
Numerals from 50 to 59. Seventh changes to third.
50箍52箍52箍53箍54箍54箍54箍 55 55箍 56 56箍 57 57箍 58 58箍 59 59箍
Numerals from 60 to 69. Eighth changes to third.
60 60箍 61 61箍 62 62箍 63 63箍 64 64箍 65 65箍 66 66箍 67 67箍 68 68箍 69 69箍
Numerals from 70 to 79. Fourth changes to second.
70 70箍 71 71箍 72 72箍 73 73箍 74 74箍 75 75箍 76 76箍 77 77箍 78 78箍 79 79箍
Numerals from 80 to 89. Fourth changes to second.
80 80箍 82 81箍 82 82箍 83 83箍 84 84箍 85 85箍 86 86箍 87 87箍 88 88箍 89 89箍
Numerals from 90 to 99. Second changes to first.
90 90箍 92 91箍 92 92箍 93 93箍 94 94箍 95 95箍 96 96箍 97 97箍 98 98箍 99 99箍
To say $1 or $2, $2 or $3, etc. We say
一兩箍 兩三箍 etc. 一兩箍 兩三箍 三四箍 四五箍 五六箍 六七箍 七八箍 八九箍 11二箍 12三箍 13四箍 14五箍 15六箍 16七箍 17八箍 18九箍 20箍 30箍 40箍 40箍 50箍 60箍 70箍 80箍 21箍 23箍 33箍 14箍 55箍 66箍 77 8箍 88 9箍 91 2箍